On the road again. Can't forget the flops this time.
That's cool. I would do it. 1, 2, 3, go! That is crazy.
Like I said, I've never
Nuts.
drive off a giraffe out of a black hawk.
That is wild. These things are like 2 foot. It's a lineup of death.
Yeah, this one's one of ours.
Oh yeah. Hey, it looks great. That thing's ready to go do some more racing. Kyle's 20.
Kyle's old Tide car.
Kind of cool.
There's another one of Kyle's. There's another one of Kyle's.
Vice Grip's got a couple out here. There's the Kevin pile. There we go. What a unit. It's nice to be reunited. Hopefully we can win it.
Thanks to you.
Well, Gordy, you ready?
Yeah, you ready to paint it up?
Yeah, let's get this sucker all shined up. Make it look like a little race car. Woo! Yeah! I need you to do that the whole race.
What do you think?
Back here?
Right? It's solitary.
I like
Brent, I don't think I did too bad there.
it. You didn't do too bad. The silver is like a little subtle thing too.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Hi, Dee.
Howdy.
How you doing?
So freaking good.
What do you think? This is our unit.
I haven't. Oh.
So it's the same car.
I was gonna say that dent looks a little familiar. I mean, how did that get there, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, somebody doesn't know how to stay
It
in their
looks
lane.
super clean.
Yeah, it's super nice. We got the other side kind of painted up.
Dude, I'm
Good.
stoked.
I'm stoked
You gonna
too.
win a helicopter?
I am.
Good.
It's even on gas too. I mean,
Yeah.
it'd be so much faster to get there, so you're burning less gas, right? Is
That's it.
that girl logic? Of,
That's
I mean, different gas, but similar concept.
that's similar.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. The birthday boy in the house.
I'm super stoked to see Gordo.
The crunchy duo is back.
The crunchy duo. The new spot to race. Put a steering wheel up there. Perfect. What do you think, Gordo?
Sick.
It turned out good.
Yeah.
Turned out so good. You did a good job.
Hey.
So Gordo came up with the scheme, and we rolled with it, and I appreciate it. I love it.
It was the maximum of my artistic abilities.
Hey, you did it. It's cool. Anything else you like? I was gonna check out all the cars. You wanna come?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, they're all sick.
They're all
I think
pretty
some
sick.
of them could use some more designs. Like ties.
Ties, you got the flames. He's looking good, you know?
Yeah.
I mean,
Flames are where it's at.
those are sparks from his welder.
Yeah. Pull the fires, they say.
I love Grindhard. He's got this cool little thing that's probably gonna get knocked off. But that's really cool.
Hopefully it doesn't.
I love his channel. They're always doing fun stuff. Bert, he's one of my boys. He's really cool. Oh man. Kevin out here doing it up. And Adam. Very cool. It's good to see you guys.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing? So good to see you. I'm stoked you're out here again with us.
Oh, I'm pumped.
Oh, it's been so long.
Good to be here.
Yeah. This is gonna be cool. He's out crushing it. JH. Woo! You know, we're gonna go around. They just put a new front end on his car too.
Yeah. You guys are in the same.
Yeah, man. And Kyle and Emilio,
Yeah, Emilio showed.
my guy. I ain't even got to see him yet.
No, I just showed up. Not that
Dude, miss you, dog.
It looks fine.
Ah, here we are, man.
Here we are.
Got
Can you
paint
believe
on
it right
me.
now? Of course, you just got here. You're the painter.
No.
They were waiting for
I've
you
been
the
here
whole
for
time.
a while, but I don't know where you've been, you know?
I was up there.
Doing the runarounds.
I'm not really running
Are
around.
you ready,
He's
bro?
been crippling around.
Do you have
Crippling
the,
around.
Do you have the bandana?
I don't have the bandana. Is that the trick? I don't think I need it, honestly.
You don't need it?
I'm ready to go.
He needs
Look,
They don't know what's gonna happen.
when you win the helicopter, I'm gonna go with you, bro. Let's just fly out of here.
Okay.
I know they do kind of. Whoa! I see the 240s.
All right, Gordo. Next, we got Matt's off-road recovery. Man, he's done a great job.
like the Tonka truck color.
Yeah, that's cool.
Same with donuts.
Jeremiah Burton, he's out here student driving. I love that.
You gotta have to watch out for him. I guess he's good. He's got a lot of seat time.
Vice
Not
grip
in one of these, but
in a race car.
yeah, in a race
Jack
car.
stand.
A real race car.
The muscle. Interesting to see how he does. I'm excited this guy's here. Tim Kennedy.
Yeah.
Love his channel. Love what he does. Yeah, this is cool. I'm stoked to race with him. Car looks great too.
It's like brand new.
Yeah. BJ Baldwin. Always fun to race with. Chris, B is for build out here. I love the scheme too.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear, Zach. Zach's always on a mission. Sea Boys. This is gonna be cool. And then we got Brad Birdie and
Travis Pastrana.
Travis Pastrana. What do you think about that?
I don't know. It might be a weapon. I don't know how he did last time.
He's always a weapon.
Yeah. It's
He's
just
fun.
naturally, you know?
Yeah. I love racing against him too. We have some good battles. So that's where we're at. We'll qualify soon and
Good
we'll
luck.
be out here ripping.
You got this.
We got
You gotta
easy
win this
peasy. No
This
problem.
is the one to win. It's been a while.
This is it. I gotta go look at this pacer though real quick.
Yeah, it's sick.
Skids didn't make it out here, but this one did. This is awesome.
Can we go get our car?
Sammy!
What is wrong with you?
Well, I'm getting old.
He's getting old. 84 is taking a toll on him.
Yep.
Apparently.
What did you
He's
do?
walking.
Happy birthday, dear Cletus. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
This is the most drivers we've ever had in a race at the Freedom Factory, and I want to thank all you guys for coming.
Let's go.
You get 3 laps, so you get the 1 cruise speed up lap. From that point on, come in hot, run your 3 hardest laps you can run. Your fastest lap is then taken to put you into qualifying. All right, qualifying group number 1 will be Ty, Whistling, Brent, Tanner, and Roman. I would race wise, but the last 20 laps, there's a helicopter on the line. You know, it's going to be kind of, we're going to let the race happen. A blatant pit maneuver, we might send you to the back, but Roman's racing from 20 laps to go. We want to make it awesome. So.
Ready to go qualify right now, so I'm gonna head down there and get in the car. Let's go get it. Let's qualify as good as we can and see where we're gonna stack up in this field. It is pretty stacked, so let's go see what we can do.
Ready to go, Brett?
Ready to go.
Would you agree turn right side or no? You ready?
Let's go, baby. It's time. Let's see how we do.
You got this. Remember, smooth is fast.
Smooth is fast.
Fast
That's
is
correct.
smooth.
Small inputs.
Yes.
Get some heat in the tires and try to make it rip.
Let her rip.
Ah.
Loud and clear. Roger Dodger, loud and clear.
Off the grass.
Or a $10,000 fine.
Yeah, $10,000 fine for getting on the grass. But hey,
That's chump change for some of these guys.
It is, but they've done a ton of work, and that grass is beautiful. 3 different kinds of grass. I asked them, if I could maybe bring my putter out and maybe my pitching wedge and do a little work back there on that Bermuda. They said absolutely not, especially this weekend. So maybe once they get that helicopter out.
It looks better than my municipal golf course back in Fort Walton Beach.
Is that the one where they let you wear jeans at?
Yeah, and they actually don't own any mowers. There's goats out there just grazing. I hit a goat one time, and we had to take him to the vet.
You got to really get to put down. As they're coming down now, seeing the green flag, they'll get a chance to get 1, 2, and 3rd lap in the books here. Like I said, you're going to want to be down and around under that 20-second range. You see the driver, they're starting to kind of feel it out right now. Right for PFISpeed. He's at a 20.053. That's pretty good. But they're going to want to try to get that speed down just a little bit. And as soon as we say that, Justin, Tanner Fowler jumps up to the top of the speed chart with a 20.011.
There's not a big gap in between these fields. It's a very tight field, and you know I always say good time.
Yes, you do. White flag out, one final time. It's still Tanner Faust, and now we got drivers jumping down to that 19-second bracket. They're starting to get a little feel to it. There's middle time starting to warm up a little bit.
Qualifying went good. The second lap on my qualifier, I got sideways, but I was trying to see how far I could push it into the corner. Just doing a little testing. I don't know, it may put us in mid-pack. I'm not sure where we're gonna end up, but we'll see. I hope we're towards the front, but you never know in these things, and there's still a lot of cars to qualify, so we'll find out, and kind of excited to know. That looks sketchy. I don't know about that.
Don't be right behind him.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely coming apart. Yeah. So it sounds like qualified 10th. I'm okay with that. It's not bad. Middle of the pack. Well, Timothy, what'd you think? It's pretty sweet,
That's a ton of fun.
How'd you do? You know?
It was like 21:30 or something. So I was
Nice.
like 19 or 18.
Okay.
So
Not bad.
middle of the
Just
pack.
jumping in it. Yeah. It's awesome. The car looks fantastic. The car looks great.
I like the Constitution wrap though.
That's a good one, man.
That's a pretty good one.
That is pretty awesome, especially.
1776 right down the side.
Yeah, that's it.
All day long.
Yep. Well, good luck out there, brother.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Yep.
Damage to the left front of that 169 van.
This is it. Let's go. That was actually pretty smooth. It looks like a red flag is being displayed. Yeah, because the 150, we can't have you rim riding around the Freedom Factory. No, 169.
Oh, I missed it. No, I missed that one.
He keeps it out of the grass.
He can't. How is he still driving? He goes. He did him a favor. I'm just going to tell you that right now. 1 lap to go. Y'all send it. Y'all let them hear you. Get up on your feet and let them hear it.
York in the 50 van, gotta go up and through. Let's go, send it!
Is gone. Is he going to be able to make it straight? He's limping around. It's going to be close. Here he comes to turn 3.
bit later on here tonight, and certainly again tomorrow as the field begins to roll out. They are going to get lined up across the front straightaway here, and the way that they're lining them up here, that would indicate to me that we are not going to have an inversion tonight. I think we're going to race this thing straight up.
Where's my camera? There we go. We're coming up from behind. Coming from behind.
That's the wrap. Coming from behind.
I'm here with Brent. What do you think?
I'm calm. First, we're at the baddest birthday party in the country right now, racing with all our buddies. This is going to be absolutely fantastic.
What do you think the key to victory tonight is?
Keep the car together. Stay on lead lap and take the victory.
You got a lot of traffic in front of you.
No, that's perfect. This is right where I want to be. Don't take themselves out.
I love it. Good luck, brother.
Thank you.
All right, buddy.
Let's go!
I'm ready for a helicopter to come home.
Let's do it, baby.
Get this done, buddy.
Let's go.
All right, let's get you in there.
So he decided, you know what, we're going to do a pay-per-view event. I'm going to invite some of my buddies. We're going to go buy a bunch of Crown Vic cars, and we're going to race around this racetrack for 100 laps. And now, 5 years later, the Freedom 500 has grown into one of the biggest events of the year, and it looks like the field is rolling and underway. He was going to be in a pretty big,
All right, race is about to begin.
So he decided,
Here we go.
We're going to do a pay-per-view event.
Things are going live.
We're going to go.
Stands, and everybody is absolutely into it. It is awesome. So how many people are watching around the world?
I mean, it's amazing what this group from.
Oh, Freedom Plus. Freedom Plus. Is that what I got? Freedom Plus. Yeah, Freedom Plus.
So the field begins to roll down the back straightaway, and we will introduce you to tonight's starting lineup. Starting on the pole in the number 88 machine, had a fantastic qualifying effort. He's a driver with a best career finish here in this event. He's got a 9th last year in 2023, but a 2nd place finish last year at Indy. But he's kind of settled in right now.
That was faster than his qualifying lap, wasn't it?
It's pretty close, but what he's doing now is he's kind of backing down the pace just a little bit.
Well, you don't want to catch...
wall in front of us. Kevin's right behind us. So, staying easy. Everybody's good.
He lost several positions as he went back.
We're on lap 42.
Right now, you're the second car back, but you're in 6th spot. So it just depends how many people go high or low. You could really screw yourself if you go low and everybody else goes low.
We choose next time, Jamie. They're talking over you. But right.
All right, he chose high because that's gonna put him in 5th or 6th place.
He is going to be the first to move to the outside. So
Pick up a spot. It's the perfect spot to be.
happy, pretty content with
Let's do this, baby. Let's do this.
doing what he's doing. Not a bad strategy. Let's get down to it. Now we're past the half door, just about halfway.
straightaway.
We are beating and banging.
And we're still wrecking.
We're sideways.
All the way down into turn 3. This
We're
could
gonna
be
stay
the big
green.
one. Still
No,
battling
we're not
on as the
staying
yellow
green.
comes out. Brad DeBerti in the 70 looks like he may have got the worst of that.
How f*** is the car? Look it over.
Turns 1 and 2 and just feel that. Check the replay here. And there you see Brad DeBerti up to the outside wall, making contact with Adam LZ, and just trying to get down to the bottom of the track. What a mess.
I thought his tire exploded. I thought it did too. Something popped real bad. It must have not been his car, I guess. Yeah.
Don't ask me how.
Oh, it was his tire that exploded. For DeBerti's. That was crazy. He got 4th position.
Seatbelts really quickly. Holy crap! I was a ping pong ball. I picked every hole I could find, brother.
Looks really good.
Fortunately for DeBerti, they
Man,
still
Brent's car
have
looks way
spare
better than
cars
I
that he
expected
can
it
jump
to.
into.
What's up? Brent's car looks way better than I expected
He's
it
going to
to.
lose a lot of track position.
Yeah, he got cleaned in the right rear.
Not where I wanted to be, but we made it through that one. Hopefully the car's good when we start ripping, you know, putting load on it. But so far we're still moving. I love this car. Because we're choosing when we come around, so
A bit of work to do.
I kind of think I should go low, but
Get his way back up to the field.
yeah, sorry.
This is so the last restart. And this is so the last restart. I thought if there was going to be a driver that was going to be brave enough to jump to the outside, it's going to be Travis Pastrana. Well, here we go. We're coming back to the green this time around. And the orange cones are up.
around goes Kyle from the Boosted Boys. That was the giving and taking thing that she said we want to see a lot of.
Choose right now.
Get some ice on that later. He's going to need a massage later. Travis Pastrana. Could fly up the racetrack as good as a heavy hit there to roll down.
Man, Adam is racing hard. That was a lot of fun. Nice job, Adam. That was a good overtake. I was trying.
Left rear and the bumper's barely.
Ready to go back green and it looks like
He's mine. He's mine, man. We got him.
it's close. I mean, he's not getting handled, but now it's off it. We need to talk about it. Now, less I'm curious to see who's holding back right now. I just see Jones on the track.
They got cars all over the speedway. How about Tanner Faust with a four-wheel drift there? Oh, and Brent from PFISpeed nearly caught the outside wall. Each other. Oh, we got a car going around. It's Cletus and George is involved as well.
Next time backstretch, we'll choose it.
2. And Kevin Smith still sitting there in 5th, right where he needs to be in case something happens up there in front of him. Kevin is in striking distance to try to take home that helicopter. And Brent from PFISpeed has run a great race, and he's had some close calls tonight, but he's kept it clean.
Tanner Faust has the fastest car on that track right now.
We're going to see if he can put that to good use here with 16 laps to go, working their way through turns 3 and 4. J.H. Diesel's led them all. Can he lead the final 16? Down into turns 1 and 2. The 34 Faust can't get to the bottom. Yes, he does.
I'm telling you, he's got the fastest car out there.
And we are going to have a battle for the lead. How about...
Like a wrecking ball.
Four wide into 3. Kevin Smith going to get the worst of it. All the way up to the top of the racetrack. He might have a flat tire.
We've got a race for
first
first
as well.
We have got a race for first over here. I'm telling you, Tanner Faust, fastest car on the track right now.
Kevin Smith with a right front tire flat, and that could not have come at a worse time.
I got no one to blame but myself.
That happens, man. And actually, right over here is Kevin Smith. Kevin, dude, how did that go down for you? That looked a little wacky.
Well, if I'm being honest, this is about the 3rd time Mr. Brent from PFISpeed's gone a little crazy and caused some problems that he shouldn't have. Brent, come on, buddy. You're pushing it a little too hard, man.
Woo! 4th place. What a lot of work. Get it together. Get it together.
JH is crushing this race, though. He's doing a killer. I'm really proud of him. No matter what, we've all had a good race. Not many laps to go. No matter what, dog. I love you, dog. How many cars do we have?
Go low. I'll be here a little bit later on.
machine of Kennedy and the 6:23 of Grindhard Coleman.
34,
champion, the driver that Cletus picked to finish dead last, has led every lap so far.
It's hard.
Travis Pastrana on the inside, trying to hold on. Side by side with 30-40, Tanner Fouts. That's now from Ryan knows by Pastrana. Pastrana's now on the
33.
Well, Gordo,
you did great.
We gave it our all, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You should have been out that one time. The car was in the air. It was crazy.
It was crazy. I thought you blew up your tire, but it was the other guy. And you came out of that like nothing.
It felt like a lot. I mean, look at my...
Yeah.
I had no mirrors. I had nobody around me.
That was crazy.
It was a fight, the entire thing.
You were there. You were up at the front of the van.
I was trying. That last little bit when something happened to Travis and he got pushed, he went up the wall and I just got locked in. That just crushed it for me.
Oh, damn. Yeah.
We worked hard though.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm proud of that race. That was, I mean, we did it, dog.
That was awesome.
That was something, huh?
Yeah.
He drove his butt off today.
Yes, he did.
Amazing.
The door doesn't
It was
open anymore.
so good. The door doesn't even open.
Ah, crap. Here.
We try to bang it
I'll
out.
just climb out.
All right.
Watch your back.
Hey, you old man.
You don't hurt no more.
You went 100 laps
Got 100 laps.
all day.
Still got a car.
Look at the tire. Look at the tire on the other side.
Yeah, we gotta look at the other tire. That's the tail. Oh!
Brand new off the lot, man.
That was some good driving then.
Yeah.
Damn,
Brand
I
new
wish I
off
should've
the
worked
lot.
harder.
I was telling Jamie the whole time.
Ooh, we worked hard, man. What a race.
I was telling Jamie the whole time you weren't squealing and we weren't nothing.
But I'm so proud of GH right now. That was, he led the entire thing.
The whole time.
100 laps. How
Yeah,
about
and he
what
took
the-
pole. Like,
The whole
man,
time.
he deserves
He's
it.
usually like right there. He's like nipping on it. And you're like,
Yeah.
shit.
We ran up there, though. We were trying. Ah, next time. Thank you, guys. That was freaking awesome.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, first Freedom 500.
What do
yeah.
you think?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
It was awesome as I expected.
Crazy, right?
It was sick.
The man was out of control, dog.
It was nuts.
It's like nothing else.
Now we gotta go to the junkyard and find you a grill.
Oh, there's plenty out there in the field, dog.
We gotta find you a grill.
They will have this thing fixed up for me in Indy. We'll come back. We'll try to win Indy. We'll give it our all there.
Yeah.
There's Sammy. Hey. We tried hard, right? Oh, what a race, though. Huh?
Yeah.
That was a battle. Woo. Oh, it's so good to see you. So those of you who don't know, my daughter got engaged. I don't know where Jacob is, but
He's still shooting
super
over there.
stoked. This is awesome. It's cool anytime being out here, getting to see her too.
Yeah.
And that was a really good race. What was a $100,000 helicopter on the line, you know? Or 100,000 cash.
Right.
Oh, you had a choice.
Sorry if
of either?
anybody was mad.
Either. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yep.
He
So?
just wanted the helicopter.
Oh, you did your
I
thing,
needed a
man.
commuter. But you know what? I was gonna store it at JH's house anyway, so this all worked out for us.
Yeah, they told me about that. You're gonna put it in the garage.
Yeah. So, well, that's it.
He should have just let you win, so you had to do
I've been the smart play, yeah. That's all right.
All right, now.
That's it. She was a ripper.
Amazing time. If you guys don't know, he's a little injured right now. He has some bad disc, and he drove the whole 100 laps.
Yeah.
So
that was.
It's a badass dude right there.
That was a shred.
That was my fault. I just when I missed that inside, if I didn't get my left front there, I was done. You did awesome.
You
man.
did awesome.
Really, hey, come on.
Yeah.
We both lost. Times we were at least 3 wide, sometimes 4 wide. You know, you guys, everybody raced pretty clean. I was
I thought so too.
Yeah,
everybody was racing because I came out outside and I had but I saw you. There was 3 of you on my inside. I'm like, someone is not holding their 4 wide lane, and everybody did. I'm like, all right, let's head to the 4 wide next turn. Let's go.
I was on the radio with them, and I'm like, I don't think this is gonna work. I
was thinking the same thing. Let's go back down to that. Hey, hell of a drive.
Great race.
Go.
Oh, that was cool. That's what I love.
It's depressing, but it's fun.
I know. At the
It's
same
so
time,
weird at the same
you're
time.
like so close. I can see
There's
him
the
right
helicopter.
there. You're right there.
You watch it every lap. You look at it.
Yeah, literally just flying away.
Dude, I'm so proud of
My
you.
buddy, dude.
That was
Man.
awesome.
That was so awesome.
I mean, what a way to dominate, dude.
I was just,
That
I
was
had
sick.
it, dude. I just felt it today. Just felt it.
It was yours.
Thank you.
Congrats, man.
What a dude.
What a guy.
What a dude.
Always hurt.
I'm heavier than you think, huh?
That's how you do it.
A bromance right there.
So
I'd say Eric's turning red, but I think that's just the ginger sunburn. He's eating a sandwich.
Are you good?
Maybe.
Yeah.